In July, terrorists bombed the Jazeera Palace Hotel in the Somali capital, and much of it was damaged. For the survivors, it was an attack they will not soon forget. Now, though, a very different picture, with the damage repaired and the hotel reopened.
Somalia has decided to move forward. For everything destroyed, we will rebuild and recover. The era of creating fear in our people is over. To those people hoping to derail our efforts, we tell them that we are more focused than ever.
The hotel used to house a number of embassy staff, including China. A Chinese national, along with 14 other people, were killed in the attack. Now, authorities hope the boosted security of the hotel will assure guests.
As we are aware, the government of the Republic of Kenya and that of the federal government of Somalia are actually partners in the war against terrorism. And I will stand here today to actually enhance our relationship in the spirit of terrorism.
Several dignitaries attended the reopening of the hotel, including China's ambassador to Somalia. Many of the guests praised the hotel management.
You have shown resilience at a time when it's needed the most. You have proved to us all that Somalia is safe for investment, despite 3 deadly terror attacks at this facility. This is the spirit we want, that of nationalism.
The management is now welcoming back its guests and foreign diplomats. It hopes to assure them of their safety and, of course, authentic Somali cuisine. Abdulaziz Bilo, CCTV, Mogadishu, Somalia.